Traditionally known as Miris, the Missings are the second largest tribe of Assam. Agriculture is the mainstay of the Missing economy. Missing women are well known for their skill in weaving cotton and endi, a yarn obtained from worms fed on the leaves of the castor oil plant. Historically, the Missing, meaning river people, have inhabited areas close to the Brahmaputra river. The river has shaped the lives and history of the Missing. Migrating from Tibet to Arunachal Pradesh and finally to Assam, following the course of the Brahmaputra river, the Missing have settled mainly in the districts of Majuli, Lakhimpur, Dhemaji and Sivsagar. Apart from weaving, the Missing are also skilled in working with bamboo. Their houses are built on raised platforms using bamboo, wood and thatch. The Missing women are adept at making rice beer, which is shared during festivals and served to welcome guests. The hearth is situated in the center of the house, with smoking racks directly above it to protect food from moisture. Like other Tani tribes, the Missing also worship the sun and moon as deities. They celebrate two main festivals, Ali Ai Ligang to mark the beginning of the paddy cultivation season and Porag to celebrate the harvest. Both festivals are occasions for dancing, music and sharing of rice beer within the village. During the Ali Ai Ligang or the Spring Festival, the Missing will dress in their traditional finery. Ali Ai Ligang literally means the sowing of seeds. This 5-day celebration starts on the first Wednesday of Phagun in February-March. On the first day of festivities, families will sow a handful of seeds in their fields, offering prayers to the ancestors for a good harvest. This ritual is followed by the Gumrag dance, in which the youth of the village take part. The young dancers perform in every house of the village, beginning with the one located in the easternmost corner. At each house, the dancers receive rice beer, chicken, and on occasion money from the householders. They then move to dance in the village fields. In the past, this dance was performed around the family hearth with no boys being allowed to witness the ritual except those playing the musical instruments. Over time, the ritual has moved to take place in the courtyard of the house so that all in the village may enjoy this beautiful dance.
dugang nitom jitu lole edu lo lole 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 dabo lole 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 ইয়াৰ অৰ্থ হৈছে সকলোৱে মিলিজুলি গুমৰাগ নৃত্য নাচি আহক আৰু আমি জীয়াই থকাৰ সময়তে আমি আমাৰ জীৱনৰ যিখিনি চিন্তা সেইখিনি আমি নৃত্যৰ যোগেদি গীতৰ যোগেদি ব্যক্ত কৰোঁ সকলোৱে ওলাই আহা এনেকুৱা আহ্বানমূলক গীত পায়
While the Missing have adopted some religious practices of the Assamese Hindus, they have continued to maintain their distinct traditions and ways of life. Climatic changes and the increasing frequency of flooding of the Brahmaputra river now challenges this resilience. It is hoped that the Missing will continue to endure in the face of these new adversities, and the rituals, festivities and beliefs of the community will be passed on for many generations to come.